Marie cooking. Hi everyone. So today on the menu, Chinese green onion pancakes. Let's start. To the sifted flour 450 grams. Add salt 1 teaspoon. Stir. Then add boiling water 250 milliliters and knead the dough. As you see, it's very easy dough. Cover the dough and leave for 30 minutes. Next step is filling. Chop the green onion about 2 cups. Mix flour 50 grams and oil 130 milliliters. Add this to green onions. Mix thoroughly. Then divide dough into 8 parts so that the dough doesn't stick to the table. Add a little vegetable oil. Roll out one piece very thin. Put 2 tablespoons of filling. Roll up into a tube. Then roll a circle. Do this with all the dough pieces. Next, from these circles, roll out the pancakes. Grease the pan with vegetable oil and put the pancakes on the preheated pan. Fry until golden brown from both sides. That's all, the pancakes are ready. As you see, this recipe is very easy, but at the same time, is very tasty. If you'd like to see more videos about cooking, subscribe to my channel and push the like button. Bon appetit!